Hi guys, my name's Sean and I'm from XPERT-60 and I would like to introduce you to a product called Indigo-10. Indigo-10, what is it and what does it actually do? So Indigo-10 is a pH neutral colour changing wheel cleaner that also doubles up as a fallout remover for contaminated paintwork. As you can see on the table, we've got a number of ancillary products and these can be used in combination or conjunction with the Indigo-10 to agitate heavily soiled wheels. Yeah. So let's put it to the test. Right, so before we actually apply the product, there's a number of things that we actually have to do. The first one is the most important, shake the product up. And secondly, check the wheel itself to make sure that it's nice and cool. We don't want to be applying product to wheels that are hot, yeah, otherwise this will actually cause the product to dry out too quickly. Right, we're good to go. Okay, so now we can actually see that we've covered the wheel. And my other thing that I do normally is actually do the tyre as well. This obviously makes life easy a little bit later on when we've pressure washed the wheel down, got rid of all the residues, we can also apply a tyre dressing. So as we can see on this wheel, the colour change is quite rapid. So that's an indication that the actual wheel is actually heavily contaminated. So as we said earlier from the ancillary product range, we can actually use a wheel brush to get into all the nooks and crannies just to agitate the surface to accelerate and maximise the cleaning function. So now we're ready to actually pressure wash the wheel down. Right guys, that's Indigo-10. As you can see from this wheel, it was fairly rapid wheel change. That's an indication that the wheel was actually quite heavily contaminated. Just so you're aware, we did a Ferrari a little bit early on, which is a very well maintained vehicle with no colour change. Ben will probably show it in the top left hand corner of the video. Anyway, for now, let's get on with the rest of the vehicle.